quiet face carved in the light, a profile glowing soft and bright. The lines reveal a deeper view, a place he feels connected to. The world has shaped his inner voice, a land that formed his early choice. His heart reflects the place he stands, a story held in timeless hand. He carries the shape of where he came from, a gentle reminder of who he has become. He walks with purpose held deep inside, a part of something warm and wide. He looks within and starts to see the thread that weaves his history, a link between the self he knows and every place his spirit goes. He feels the call to play his part, to share the truth within his heart, to stand with values clear and true, and shape the world with what he does. He carries the shape of where he came from, a gentle reminder of who he has become. He walks with purpose held deep inside, a part of something warm and wide. Every voice belongs to the greater song. Every path connects where we all belong. His outline whispers where he grew and shows him what he came to do. He carries the shape of where he came from, a gentle reminder of who he has become. He walks with purpose held deep inside, a part of something warm and wide. He learns who he is by knowing where he stands.